Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, like this video and subscribe down below because you're gonna like this. Today was actually a pretty full day so far. I'm working from home today. I will get into what I actually do like work-wise later on in this video, so look out for that. As you guys saw in my last video, my car is down. It's still down. It's been a rough time, but I had a couple of errands and a meeting that I had to go to this morning, so I just walked there. Luckily it's pretty close to where I live, so it wasn't too bad, although the sun was hot. So it was, yeah, no, it was fine. I survived. But basically I got back home, got back to work, and then I literally just got into the shower because I was just not having it. I have a new product. I did my skincare routine because I actually didn't do my morning routine this morning, but I have this new product that I actually picked up while I was out this morning, and it's this Aveeno Positively Radiant Overnight Hydrating Facial. And clearly it says overnight, but I'm going to use it right now. It says that you can use it for 48-hour hydration, and you're supposed to get all the benefits of a facial while you're asleep. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about it tomorrow when I wake up. We're gonna see if I see any differences, you know, feel anything. But in general, I really like the Aveeno brand. I've talked about it on my Instagram, like on Instagram stories. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you should follow me. My username is carrie.bbean, Caribbean with a K with a dot. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know how I feel about it. Besides that, I got back, I fixed my bed, kind of cleaned my room a little bit, and then now I actually have to get back to work. So see you in a bit. Ugh, it's hot. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Smells pretty good. Smells exactly like the face wash, which I like it because it's not like crazy. I didn't read to see how much I should actually put on, but like always, put a lot. I mean, if it's gonna give me a facial, why not? I really want to see if it's gonna do anything for like the lower portion of my face, because down here just feels really rough compared to the rest of my face. This is where I tend to get most of my breakouts, which are not fun. I mean, I don't really break out that much anymore because since I started my birth control, the pill, basically I stopped breaking out. I only break out every once in a while because since I started my birth control, that pretty much stopped like all of my acne breakouts and stuff, which I've been so thankful for. I saw this one meme that was basically like a pill that solves your acne, gets rid of like your period cramps and stuff, but like as a side effect you don't have kids. And I'm just like, yeah, because I basically I started taking birth control because of my cramps, because I would literally be like passing out and it was just like the roughest time of my life. I'd be in the emergency room all the time. But now, yeah, best thing to ever happen to me. Anyway, back to what we were saying. My face, yeah, I just wanted to do something about like the roughness. I want to get an actual facial. I don't know if there's anywhere that I really like trust to like spend the money here on St. Croix, so I might just like treat myself when I fly somewhere else, but for now I don't really have any plans to go anywhere except for Trinidad in February. But my schedule in Trinidad is jam-packed of stuff, so there will be actually no time to do any like personal, yeah, no, it's just like not possible for me to fit anything else on my Trinidad trip. So after February 2020 we will tend to like more personal stuff, but for now we're gonna do the at-home facial treatments and hopefully this works and I like it. My first impression, it's not very heavy on the skin. I really like the smell. It smells just like the face wash if you tried that, which is just like not a very strong scent. It just smells like clean. So yeah, I really like that, and we'll see. It's more of like a jelly type consistency, like between a jelly and a lotion. I don't really know what you would. I like it. Tomorrow we'll see if I see any noticeable like changes with my skin. Hello friends, welcome to my little outdoor office. I have my work laptop here and my iPad where I play some YouTube videos if I'm not doing anything like too pressing where I need to like hyper focus. I completely forgot that I was supposed to do this little report, so I just did that really quickly. That's pretty much the last like very important like pressing thing that I had to do for today, but now I'm just gonna work on a brochure that is for a new program that we're starting. So let me just tell you guys what I do. I'm the prevention specialist for a new prevention program on St. Croix. It's called Progressive Lifestyles. Basically, I came in when the program just got its funding, so I basically helped. I was there for the beginning of it. We started the program, we got our first clients in, everything was great. I really love what we do. It's really fun. So basically we do HIV and hepatitis testing. We're focused on the youth, so people between 13 to 24 years old. We do peer advocate groups, which is my favorite part of the program because basically I get a bunch of my friends, not even just my friends, but you know, we try to encourage a bunch of other people who are within that age group to come in, and we find ways to educate our community because HIV is actually a really huge problem here in the US Virgin Islands and a lot of people don't know. And because there's such a high rate of STDs within that younger age group, they're also at risk for HIV. So that's basically our purpose, is just to educate the community. We provide testing, and yeah, we do classes. Kids get community service if they need it, and it's a great time. I am working from home because I'm home 2 times a week, so I work at home on Mondays and Thursdays, which I really love because I get to do this, just like be chill and get what I need to get done, but also, you know, I don't know, it's just nice being at home, being outside, getting a little break from the office life. I really like our office because it's cozy and there are not very many people. Progressive Lifestyles on its own is made up of 3 employees: myself, my boss, which is the program coordinator, and then we have a part-time research assistant. Do you hear the crying dog? We have some new neighbors and they have a tiny chihuahua that cries constantly. It's not gonna end. The brochures that I'm working on are for a new program which is more family based. I don't really have anything to do with that program, but I'm just helping them out by making their brochures. I do a lot of marketing work in my job, even though it's not really a part of my job, just because everyone else is kind of old. Okay, let me not say old, but they're just not very like in tune with like social media and like getting the word out, besides like using like newspapers and television, which I'm not even sure many people our age watch television. So specifically for my program, it makes sense for us to focus more on social media because we're targeting younger people. But yeah, for this new program, I'm making them a brochure. That's all I have to tell you guys about my job for now. If you have any more questions, you can leave them down below and I can talk about it some more if you have any like specific questions. It's 5 o'clock. You know what that means. It means I'm done with work. So we're in my room right now. It's kind of dark because I have all the lights off, and also for some reason, okay, so these windows are open but these ones aren't, and I can't fix it. The winders they're not connected to the actual blind or whatever these things are, loose. What are they called? I don't know. But anyway, they're not attached to them anymore, so I can't open them unless I take the screen off and open it, like literally like push it with my hand, and I'm not about to do that right now. So I'm trying to get in contact with not my landlord, but the realtor company that I go through. I have a realtor. She's really nice and she gets things done when I need them to be done. So hopefully this can be fixed because my room is really dark and I don't like it anymore. And it's the same thing with outside. See, it's literally, I can't. It's basically nighttime in here right now. It's basically nighttime. I don't know what else I want to do right now that I'm done. I'm just gonna go watch some YouTube. What else do I do? My work laptop is closed. I'm currently watching Michelle Choi. I actually haven't watched her for a while, but then I saw a video by Amy Lee a couple days ago that kind of got me like started again on her videos. So yeah, I've been binge watching her videos all day. I actually just talked to my dad and he's in town for the weekend, I guess, and I'm gonna take advantage of the situation and hopefully go get some groceries and stock up my house. since I don't know when my car is gonna be fixed. I'm back inside. What's up? My dad, my grandma, and my little new baby brother came by to visit, and that's what I've been doing for forever now, so that's why it's dark. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning, alright?